Hello and welcome to the tutorial of LeadsPicker. LeadsPicker is an AI automated lead generation platform that helps you conduct cold outreach automatically. And in this video I'll show you how to use it. We'll highlight LeadsPicker features, pricing, alternatives, and all of that good stuff. To use LeadsPicker, simply click sign up now. You can start for free without credit card required. Sign up in your preferred way, and once you sign up you'll see this simple onboarding experience. Let's build, right? This is the dashboard you'll be met with. You have your projects, inbox, outreach setting, global blacklist, so the DNC list, do not contact list, integrations, and all of that good stuff. So you have a lot of templates pre-built, meaning these automations are ready to be launched, right? And you have a ton of them. You can simply track product hunt launch mentions, right? And send personalized messages, LinkedIn messages, to the founders of those new products. You can extract leads from Sales Navigator and reach out to them. Extract likers and commenters under viral LinkedIn posts and do all of that good stuff. For example, let's pick this one. You click get started. You connect your LinkedIn account to actually so the robot could actually send messages on your behalf and automate the messages, follow-ups, all of that good stuff. You can select how many leads you want to scrape. Let's do like a couple, just because we have limited credits. You simply find a popular LinkedIn post with your ICP. So for example, let's say this one, 500 likes. You click here, you click copy link to post. You go back, you post it here, you click save. Of course, I will not be able to scrape leads because I haven't connected my LinkedIn account, because this is just a tutorial. But once you do, it will go ahead and scrape leads for you, and the contacts will end up in here, like the sample one, John Doe. It will have all the information about them that you can use, right? Then you go to the sequence, you see that this is a pre-built one, so you already see everything made for you, the email, the message, the copy written, custom variables like clean company name, meaning it will clean up the company name after it scrapes it. You adjust the time wait between steps. You have a follow-up, a connection request. You can add extra steps if you want, like LinkedIn, for example, email message, connection, right? A message, simple message. You can add those custom variables. You can make that the step is skippable if the automation cannot actually complete it. For example, if you don't have a connection request for that month, or if you're connected or something like that, right? You save it, you'll have another step. You can add email, because this is multi-channel outreach. Again, add variables, unsubscribe footer. You can make it skippable as well. And this way you build templates. As you can see now, it will send initial message, then send a connection request, again connection request, and I didn't save it, but it would send again an email, because first an email, LinkedIn, email. You can also add a blacklist with the specific sequences if you would like. You can just copy and paste, port a CSV or take from a project. And once you do everything, you'll have an overview on the dashboard. You'll see analytics of the whole project, of individual steps, how many leads contacted, how many leads have finished, and all of that stuff that you need to ensure everything is working, to have an overview of everything. Now, if anyone replies, you'll see everything in your master inbox. This way, it's easier to manage all of the conversation happening. If you have multiple LinkedIn accounts, if you have multiple email accounts, this just makes it a lot easier to see all replies, positive, negative, and actually reply in a timely manner to not lose a deal. If you'd like, you can also enable a sentiment checker, meaning it will automatically analyze the message to figure out whether it's a positive reply, a negative, so on and so forth. Also, subscribe if you found this video valuable. You also have outreach settings, so you'll see them once you connect your accounts. You can edit the signatures and all sorts of other stuff. You also have global blacklist, like we talked about, a do not contact list. You can simply paste people you don't want to reach out to, unsubscribed emails. And lastly, we have integrations. You have webhooks and API keys, so you can connect LeadsPicker to whatever you want. Now, what's important to note is that you can actually create your own project and upload your own leads if you don't want LeadsPicker to kind of scrape for you. For example, we do a test campaign, like you see, we can have a robot automate lead generation or scrape from LinkedIn, or you can upload your own leads via CSV, or simply add leads manually. Whatever option you pick, you can upload leads, or simply select an option of how to scrape those leads. For example, this, right? You add a URL, import it, and create your sequence and launch it. And the sequences themselves can again be created from scratch. You can copy an existing one, use templates, or just generate with an AI, tell it what you want, and it will create the sequence for you. Now, if you're looking for an alternative that's not so manual, that doesn't require you building templates, looking at templates, writing copy, doing everything manually, if you don't want that and also the setup all automatic, I suggest you take a look at Agent Frank. Agent Frank is not multi-channel outreach yet, but it's a cold email agent. So an AI sales agent that uses cold email to book meetings. It automatically creates the infrastructure, warm up, writes copy, finds leads for you, reaches out, handles objections, answers questions till it books a sales call. So if you want to take a look at how Agent Frank works, I suggest you take a look here. Or if you want me to review any other tool, please let me know down below. Otherwise, it was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.